Now we're going to go through the ingredients of the chocolate chunk cookies that we're going to make soon. We're going to need 5 cups of flour, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 3 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2.5 cups of firmly packed dark brown sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 4 eggs, and a cup and 1/3 of oil. We'll need 7 ounces of chocolate. This is it's not a baking chocolate, but you can use baking chocolate if you wish. 2 bowls, 1 smaller one and 1 bigger one. 2 baking pans plus 2 baking sheets, and a food processor for the chocolate. And we're gonna show you what to do with it.